Hey friends, welcome back to my video. Today we will learn, can you make money online on YouTube without making any videos? The answer is absolutely yes. If you have been thinking about it, here is a detailed guide on how to do it. YouTube is one platform that is making new millionaires each passing day. This platform gives you a chance to make money as people watch your videos and your posts. People are making quite good money from this. But are you aware that you don't need to upload your own videos to make money on YouTube? So you heard that right. Why it's illegal to use other people's original work for your own game due to copyright restrictions, there is also a legal avenue to go about this, and that is called as Creative Commons, or shortly also known as CC. YouTube gives original video owners an option to allow the YouTube community to use their videos, re-upload them without any copyright issues. So original video owners can mark their videos with the Creative Commons license CCL or CC BY, allowing other users to legally republish these videos but with some edits. So this means that you can create your own YouTube channel without ever creating original videos and still make money on YouTube. So how was this idea? Please tell me in the comments. Thank you guys.